4 hours. Fold 4 hours too much. 1 hour. Fold 200 paper planes. Okay? Then 5 students, half hour, how many paper plane? What's the answer? Well, just tell me what's the answer. Or how you get your answer. What are you doing? 100. How do you get 100? Working.
Hours.
Huh?
1 times 1/2.
Okay, so what you need to do actually is this. Can you see that the head count is the same?
Yeah.
Head count is the same. So what is not the same? The time, right? So the time come down, right? Right? Go down, right? Go down by how much? Divide by 2, right?
Yeah.
Like divide by 2, right?
Yeah.
So if the head count is the same, when your time is reduced, right? So do you think you get more paper planes or less?
Less.
Yes. So time given is less, so output, this is called output. Okay? What you produce is called output. So also reduced by 2 times. So that's why you get 100. Make sense?
Yeah.
Make sense or not? Make sense or not? Now, what if six students? What's your answer? Or do you know the answer? What's your answer? You have the answer already? Yes or no? No. Okay, good. So just now the question is 5 students, half hour, right? How many paper plane, right? So just now what you see, just now the question here. Can you see that just now? Basically you have head count, time, output. So I call these 3 parameters. Okay, I call these 3 parameters. Okay? Yeah, 3 parameters. Head count, time, output. And for the first question, why is it so easy for you? Because the head count is the same. The time is different. Okay? So that means for questions that you have one same, one different, it's very easy to find the last one. Okay? Am I right? So now, the question is, now you have the head count is different, the time is also different. Cannot do. Two different. So when can you do? One same, one different. Two different, can do or not? Cannot. One same, one different, can do or cannot do?
Yeah.
Two different, can do or not?
No.
So what you need to do is, you need to do one same, one different first. So what I suggest is, you want to make the time the same or you want to make the student the same? This is the question they ask. So you want to play with 6 students, which make the, or you want to play with half hour?
6 students.
Okay, 6 students. 6 students. Compared to the original one. Okay, let me just hold on. So what I'm trying to say here is this. So because you have different student, different time, cannot do. You need to have same, either same head count or same time, then you can do, right? Then therefore you need to insert an intermediate step. So insert 6 students. So if you, this is the intermediate step before you solve the lesson. So since you change the student to 6 students, that means your time cannot change, right? So now your this intermediate step, you have different head count, but you have same time. Can you do? I think so. So now what happened? Your student increased by how much? Not plus, it's either times or divide. So what is the factor?
6/5.
Which is?
Times 6/5.
Yeah lah, but which is? I don't want 6/5.
1.2.
Yes, so you times 1.2. So if the student head count increase by 1.2, so output also increase or decrease? Increase by?
1.2.
Correct. So what's the answer?
240.
Okay, good. So 240. Okay? So now you can do the question already. 6 students, 6 students, same. The only difference is the time. So the time go down by divide by 2. So your output also?
Divide by 2.
Yes, which is?
120.
Correct. So that means you need to insert an intermediate step. Okay? Because only when you have one same, one different, then you can do. Two different cannot. Understand or not? Understand? So this is actually the kind of question that you will be asked. Let me give you another one. 2 students, 4 hours, 8. What you do in school generally? 8 papers. 1 student, 2 hours. How many papers? Okay, good. So you need to insert an intermediate step first. So what you insert? Can you do it on a piece of paper? Just here. So as the intermediate step you insert. How many students? Okay, you still want 2 students. So 2 students, then you need to change the hour already. You change it to how many hours? Because now your student is the same. So your time need to be different. Right?
Yeah.
So you change to 2 hours. So how many paper? For the intermediate step. How many paper? 4, yes. Then after that, this one, the time is the same. The head count decreased by 2. So how many paper? Yeah, divide by 2 again. Make sense? Okay, yep. So in fact, this is the kind of question you'll be asked if you are asked for more advanced questions. Okay? So for the last part, actually, this is recorded.